Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Volvo S60 headlight bulb. First, open your car's hood to access the headlight assembly. You will see two retaining pins on top of the headlight unit. Gently pull these two pins straight up until they are fully disengaged. This action releases the entire headlight assembly, allowing you to carefully pull the unit forward from its housing. This initial step is crucial for gaining proper access to the bulb. Next, you will need to disconnect the electrical connector located at the back of the headlight assembly. Simply press the tab and pull it off. Then, twist the circular bulb cover counterclockwise to remove it, revealing the bulb. You will see a small retaining spring holding the bulb. Unclip this spring. Now, you can carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb during installation. Now it is time to install your new headlight bulb. Carefully insert the new bulb into its socket, making sure it is seated correctly and firmly. Re-engage the retaining spring to secure the bulb in place. Then, replace the bulb cover by twisting it clockwise until it is snug and secure. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly, ensuring a firm connection for proper power supply. With the new bulb installed, it is time to reassemble everything. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position in the car's front. Push the two retaining pins you removed earlier straight down until they click into place, securely locking the unit. Close your car's hood. Finally, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb and ensure it is functioning correctly, providing clear illumination for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.